Hello everyone, I'm Sadish. This motivational story is about how is your problem solving approach should be in your life. This was a real incident which happened in epic Ramayana. In Ramayana, during the battle between Rama's army and Ravana's force, Lakshman was arrowed by Ravana's son and he fell unconscious. As he fell to the ground, royal physician Sushena was called. Seeing the near death of Lakshman, Sushena requested for the Sanjeevani herbs to revive the life of Lakshman. And this was the only and sure cure available in the Dronagiri hills in the Himalayan ranges. And it was near to impossible for anyone to go and fetch this Sanjeevani herbs in few hours' time. Everybody was confused and astonished. At that time, Hanuman stepped in. Hanuman was the only one capable of flying to that heights and get this Sanjeevani herbs in few hours' time. Then Hanuman was sent to Himalaya. Within no time, Hanuman reached Dronagiri hills and began to search for the Sanjeevani herbs requested by the royal physician Sushena. Very soon, Hanuman got confused. He was unable to identify the exact Sanjeevani herbs. Because he had only limited time, he has to bring the herbs to Sri Lanka to revive the life of Lakshman. So, next thing Hanuman did was, he came out of the Dronagiri mountain. Now he got the entire view of the Dronagiri hills. Now, what you can understand from this point of view is, usually when you are in a problem, you should think from the third person point of view, to have a detached opinion, to have a detached perspective regarding the problem. So usually when we are in a problem, we tend to get very emotional about it and we start blaming things around. When you have the third person point of view, you have a detached opinion regarding the detached perspective, then you know there is a problem, solution needs to be found out. Now, next thing Hanuman, what he did was, he grew himself so bigger than mountain, so that the mountain looks very tiny in front of him. Now, he picked up the mountain on his palm and he flew back to Sri Lanka and took the mountain near to royal physician Sushena and asked him to pick up the herb for himself. Now, the moral of the story is, usually when we are in a problem, we tend to get very emotional about it. We make the problem larger than our life. Any problem in life is seen as a speck of dust. There is nobody living in this planet without any problem. Everybody has the problem on their own. So no problem is not seen as the larger than your life experience. It is just a speck of dust. It will come and go. You have the capacity within you. You have the capabilities within you to solve the problem. So no problem is seen as larger than life experience. So what you can understand from this motivational story is, usually when you are in a problem, you should think from the third person point of view, to have a detached opinion, to have a detached perspective regarding the problem, so that you know there is a problem, solution needs to be found out. And one more thing, and no problem is seen as larger than your life experience. It is just seen as a speck of dust. So any problem comes in your life, it will come and go. That is how your problem solving approach should be. So no problem is not seen as larger than your life experience. So this is how you should solve your problem, whatever comes in your life. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you.